Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Oracle LED cargo light module available for 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL 2 and 4-door Wranglers equipped with a factory hardtop. Now before we dig into all the great features of this cargo light, if you guys like these videos, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button for us so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. Now, when you have stuff stored in the back of your Wrangler here, you could always use a little bit more light. The factory only gives us one light up there on the sport bar, and especially if you like to go camping or you're doing something in the back of your Jeep here, well, we can always benefit from having that extra light, and that's where Oracle has you covered with their LED cargo light module. Now, what I really like about this light is how easy it is to get it installed. In fact, it doesn't require any permanent modification to your vehicle or even any permanent wiring that we have to do. Now, it simply replaces the factory wiper motor cover here on the rear glass of the hardtop. Just remove the two T15 Torx screws holding that factory cover in place, and then we replace it with the Oracle LED cargo light module, reusing those two T15 Torx screws. Now for the wiring, we're simply going to follow the factory wiper wiring down along the glass here. Oracle gives us some adhesive clips that we can stick to the glass, and then we route the wiring down the inside of the hardtop, and we plug it in right here at the 12-volt accessory outlet in the back of the cargo area. That means you're not doing any cutting or splicing of any wiring to get this installed. And if you ever find yourself needing that accessory outlet, well, you can always just unplug the cargo light, use the outlet. When you're finished, we can plug our cargo light right back in. Now to activate the cargo light, you'll see we've got two switches on the side of the module, a red and a white. The white switch is going to illuminate two white LED strips. The first one we see right here facing down. There's also one on the back side of the module here that's going to illuminate that cargo area, giving us plenty of light to see what we've got stored in the back of our Jeep. Now this one facing down is going to do a great job of giving us some extra light here behind the tailgate of our Wrangler, and that's definitely going to get them in handy if you guys like to go camping, or maybe you've got a tailgate table equipped on your Wrangler here that's going to give you plenty of light to work back here behind the tailgate of your Jeep. To turn it back off, we just touch that white toggle button one more time. Now there is a red toggle button back here as well. If we activate that, you're going to see we're going to get a flashing amber emergency light here, a great added benefit to getting this cargo light installed. If you ever find yourself on the side of the road, maybe completing a repair, accessing something in your Jeep, changing a flat tire, that's going to help to get your Jeep noticed by passing drivers on the road, keeping you safer at night. And we can turn that back off with one more click of that red toggle switch. Now, if you guys have any comments or questions about the Oracle LED cargo light module, you can always leave those for us in the comments section below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. If you want to pick up one for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.